What's up everyone, Tech Supporter here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. YouTube rolled out the dark mode feature for Android user. Now iPhone, iMac, PC and desktop have that for a while, but now it's also available for Android user. So now in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in YouTube for Android. The reason that dark mode is great because it doesn't hit you with all of the bright colors. It's easier on your eyes and it doesn't use that much of your battery life, and it just looks cool on your phone. So before moving ahead, if you are new here, then definitely hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell to all, so you get all my latest videos notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you have to open your phone and you wanna go to the Google Play Store. Once you are in the Google Play Store, you have to search for the YouTube app. After you open the YouTube app, if you have the option here, update instead of the open option, then you have to update your app. After updating your YouTube app to the latest version, you have to close all the tabs and you have to open the YouTube app. Once you have opened the YouTube app, you have to tap on the top right profile icon, then go down and tap on settings, then tap on journal. Now second, you will see a option dark theme. You have to enable this theme and that should activate the dark theme in your Android. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you are new here and hit the notification bell to all, so you get all my upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any thoughts, you can drop it in the comment box. I will definitely check it out. So thanks for watching. I'll see you with another informative video. Goodbye.